Hello guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation for the Honda Accord. We're gonna do these LRTER LEDs. This is H11 LEDs 6000K. If I open the package, it has the user's manual, and this is the LEDs that we're gonna run on the fog lights of the Honda Accord. These LEDs, they have the driver built in. Quality is good, with fans and super bright. I'm gonna put them on the fog lights and I'm gonna test these new LEDs. This new mini design is gonna have super bright LED chips on both sides. It's gonna be a direct light, super bright. And let's put them on the fog lights to see how they look. I'm gonna put one, and my other fog light is gonna have the stock regular halogen bulb to see the difference. This is the regular H11 that I have on my fog lights, and now we have the new one. In this application on my Honda Accord, I have to remove the bumper. Some other applications like my RAV4, you don't have to remove the bumper, but on this one you do. Just make sure that you do positive with positive, negative with negative. Have the connection ready on both sides so you can see the difference. You can tell right there, I don't even have to bring my tool to measure the light. You can tell how bright the new LED is. Compared to the stock halogen bulb, you barely see the light in the floor, but over there, lots and lots of illumination. Let me put the other one on that side, put my bumper back on, and let's see how bright it is when we shut down the garage door. They look really good. They're gonna look amazing at night. So let me shut down the garage door so we can see how bright they are. There you have it. Super bright. This is only fog lights. They look really good, super bright. I'm really happy with these LEDs. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for them in case that you wanna get those. And you can see the brightness right there. I have fog lights, headlights on with the high beams. You can see that is matching my headlights on the high and low beam. There you have it guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these LED lights, 6000K H11s, and you can see how bright they are on my fog lights. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.